Hey, so if you want to know how to post full-size pictures on Instagram, keep on watching because I'm gonna show you and it's pretty easy. So we're gonna open up Lightroom and then we're gonna import our photo and then we're gonna edit our photo and then we're gonna go to the crop and choose 4:5 and then we're gonna press enter. And then we're gonna adjust our frame how we want it to be. And then we're gonna go to our export menu. And from here, I'm gonna export it to my desktop. And then I'm gonna scroll down and choose JPEG and quality 100. And next menu is gonna be 1080 and 72. And then I'm gonna export. From there, I have my photo ready for Instagram actually. And it's right here. So next I'm gonna go to Instagram and then I'm gonna press the plus icon. And then I'm gonna press the 2 arrows. So it's gonna crop it down to 4:5. And from there I'm gonna post it and ready to go. Here we are. Boom, 4:5 photo, great.